Welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of spending your weekends pushing a vacuum around or just want a little extra help keeping your home clean, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best budget robot vacuums for 2024 that won't break the bank, but will definitely get the job done. Don't forget to click the link in the description for more details. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, carpets, or hardwood floors, these robotic wonders will do the dirty work for you. And we've picked the best ones that offer the most bang for your buck. So, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the YUI Robovac 25C. If you're looking for a budget-friendly robot vacuum that doesn't compromise on performance, the 25C is a solid pick. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control it right from your smartphone, making scheduling a breeze. It's slim enough to glide under most furniture, and with 1,500 pascals of suction power, it can handle everything from pet hair to crumbs. Plus, it's super quiet, so you can run it while watching TV without any interruptions. Experience effortless cleaning with the YUI Robovac 25C, your ultimate cleaning companion that combines powerful performance with cutting-edge convenience. This ultra-thin robot vacuum features 1,500 pascals of suction power, ensuring that dirt, dust, and debris are swiftly and thoroughly removed from your floors. Whether you're relaxing at home or miles away, the Wi-Fi connectivity and YUI Home app allow you to control the Robovac with just a tap, making it easier than ever to maintain a spotless home. The Boost IQ technology takes cleaning to the next level by automatically increasing suction power when extra strength is needed, giving you the best clean in the shortest amount of time. And with its whisper-quiet operation, the Robovac 25C can run for up to 100 minutes without disturbing your daily routine. Its noise level is no louder than a microwave. Designed to fit seamlessly into your life, the 2.85-inch ultra-thin design allows it to glide under furniture, reaching those hard-to-clean spots with ease. The package comes complete with a remote control, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, extra set of high-performance filters for side brushes, 5 cable ties, a welcome guide, and a worry-free 3-month warranty. Transform your cleaning routine with the YUI Robovac 25C, a perfect blend of power, precision, and convenience. Coming in at number 4 is the ILIFE V3S Pro. This little guy is specifically designed to tackle pet hair, making it an excellent choice for pet owners. It has a low-profile design, allowing it to clean under beds and sofas easily. The iLife V3S Pro might not have all the bells and whistles, but what it lacks in smart features, it makes up for with strong suction and simplicity. It's straightforward, reliable, and incredibly budget-friendly. With its tangle-free pet hair care suction, this robotic vacuum effortlessly picks up pet hair without getting tangled, making it the perfect ally for keeping your floors spotless. It's not just about pet hair, though. The V3S Pro is highly effective at tackling dirt, crumbs, and debris on a variety of surfaces, including hardwood, tile, laminate, stone, and low-pile carpet. The slim design of the V3S Pro allows it to glide under beds, sofas, and other furniture where dirt and dust love to hide. With a runtime of 90 to 100 minutes, it has more than enough power to handle daily cleaning chores. And when the battery gets low, it automatically returns to its charging dock, so it's always ready for the next cleaning session. Thanks to built-in infrared sensors, the V3S Pro navigates your home with ease, avoiding obstacles, drop-offs, and collisions, ensuring a thorough and safe cleaning experience. Starting a cleaning session is as simple as pressing a button on the robot vacuum or using the included remote control. For easy maintenance, just empty the dustbin and clean the filter after each use. Replacing the filter every month will keep your V3S Pro performing at its best. Backed by a 12-month warranty and a dedicated U.S. customer service team, the iLife V3S Pro gives you peace of mind with every purchase. If you choose the renewed version, it comes with a 3-month product warranty, offering great value for those looking to save a bit more. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the iLife V3S Pro, a robot vacuum designed to keep your home clean, so you don't have to. At number 3, we have the YUI Robovac 11s Max. This model takes everything great about the original 11s and cranks it up a notch. With 2,000 pascals of suction power, it's one of the strongest vacuums on this list, making it ideal for both carpets and hard floors. Its slim design allows it to reach every nook and cranny, and its Boost IQ technology automatically increases suction power when needed. Plus, it runs quietly, so it won't disturb your daily routine. At just 2.85-inch tall, this super slim vacuum can easily slip under furniture to clean those hard-to-reach areas, all while operating quietly, making it ideal for cleaning at any time of the day or night without disturbing your household. The Robovac 11S Max offers extended cleaning performance, running up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors with consistent and powerful suction. Thanks to its Boost IQ technology, the vacuum automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra strength is needed, ensuring a deep clean on a variety of surfaces, from hard floors to medium pile carpets. Built with both efficiency and protection in mind, the Robovac 11S Max features an anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for durability, infrared sensors to avoid obstacles, and drop sensing technology to prevent falls. Plus, it's self-charging, so it automatically returns to its charging base when the battery is low, ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning session. In the box, you'll find everything you need to get started, including the Robovac 11S Max, a remote control with batteries, a charging base, an AC power adapter, a cleaning tool, and one side brush. Backed by a worry-free 12-month warranty, you can trust that the YUI Robovac 11S Max is a reliable and efficient addition to your cleaning routine. Elevate your home cleaning with the YUI Robovac 11S Max. Powerful, quiet, and ready to clean whenever you are. Taking the runner-up spot is the iRobot Roomba 675. iRobot is a household name when it comes to robot vacuums, and the Roomba 675 lives up to the reputation. It features Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can control it using your smartphone or even your voice via Alexa or Google Assistant. The 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes ensure that dirt, dust, and debris are picked up effectively. It's a great option for those who want the reliability of a Roomba without the hefty price tag. Featuring power-lifting suction, this vacuum provides powerful cleaning performance, lifting and capturing dirt, dust, and debris from a variety of surfaces. The patented 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes ensure thorough cleaning, from small particles to larger debris, whether it's on carpets or hard floors. Thanks to smart navigation, the Roomba Q0120 cleans your home in neat rows, using a full suite of intelligent sensors to navigate under and around furniture, ensuring every corner of your floor is spotless. The auto-adjust cleaning head automatically adapts its height for optimal cleaning across different floor types, making it versatile enough to handle everything from carpets to hard floors. Control your Roomba from anywhere using the iRobot Home app, which also lets you schedule cleanings. And for even more convenience, it's compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to start, stop, or schedule cleaning with just your voice. Alexa device sold separately. With a 0.6-liter capacity, this Roomba can hold a significant amount of dirt and debris before needing to be emptied. And when the battery is low, it automatically returns to its charging station to recharge itself, so it's always ready for the next cleaning session. The iRobot Roomba Q0120 offers an effortless way to keep your home clean, blending powerful suction, smart technology, and easy-to-use features. Perfect for those who want a clean home without the hassle. And finally, our top pick for the best budget robot vacuum in 2024 is the ROTRONIC Q5. This vacuum is a game-changer with its advanced navigation system that maps out your home for efficient cleaning. The Q5 delivers powerful suction and has a long-lasting battery life, making it perfect for larger homes. It also features multiple cleaning modes and can be controlled via an app, giving you full control over your cleaning schedule. All this at a price that won't break the bank. With an impressive 2,700 pascal suction, the Q5, an enhanced version of the S4 Max, easily lifts pet hair, dust, and fine dirt from both hard floors and carpets. It even automatically increases suction when it detects a carpet, ensuring a deep clean that leaves no debris behind. Manage every aspect of your cleaning with ease using the Robovac app. From setting cleaning schedules and adjusting suction power to creating no-go zones and invisible walls, you have complete control over your vacuum from anywhere with an internet connection. You can also view the exact vacuuming route and monitor your cleaning progress in real time. The PreciSense LiDAR navigation system provides precise mapping, creating accurate layouts of your home. The Q5 can save up to 4 maps, making it perfect for multi-level homes. Plus, with 3D mapping, you can visualize your home in 3D and even add furniture and floor materials to recreate your space virtually. Designed for large homes, the Robovac Q5 offers an extended 180-minute runtime on a single charge, covering up to 3,230 square feet. The large 470 milliliters dustbin reduces the need for frequent emptying, allowing you to clean more without interruptions. The multi-directional floating rubber brush stays close to the floor, ensuring effective cleaning even on uneven surfaces. For added convenience, the Q5 supports voice control via Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Siri shortcuts, allowing you to start or stop cleaning with simple voice commands. This feature is especially useful for times when your phone isn't handy or for elderly users who prefer voice interaction. And there you have it. Those are the top 5 best budget robot vacuums for 2024. Whether you're looking for something basic or a vacuum packed with smart features, there's something on this list for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. And if you have any questions or need more recommendations, drop a comment below. We'd love to help out.